This is Cara with MCL Funding, and I'm here today to talk to you about why you need to have a pre-approval letter before you start looking at homes. You may be wondering what it is like to buy a home. Should you start your search online? Should you look at homes first or get approved first? Whenever you're in the new home search, one of the most important things you will need is a pre-approval letter from your lender. So what's a pre-approval letter? A pre-approval letter is a written letter from a mortgage lender that states you have been tentatively approved for a mortgage. Your pre-approval letter includes the specific amount that you are approved for, as well as your interest rate and loan terms. The letter will include the amount of money that you will have been approved for and what its sellers are looking for to make sure that if they accept your offer, you will actually be able to get financing for the house you're buying. If you're looking for a home, it's important to know how much you can afford, and the seller feels more comfortable knowing that you have already been approved. How can you get a pre-approval letter? To get a pre-approval letter, you must first meet with a mortgage lender like me. You need to complete the following steps for a pre-approval letter. So step 1, complete the loan application. Often you can complete the application online or over the phone. After the application is complete, we will pull a 3-bureau credit report that will show your credit score and credit history. Step 2, your income and asset documents. The next step is to send in your supporting documentation that will help determine what you qualify for. This documentation will usually include last year's W-2s or 1099s, last 2 years' tax returns, pay stubs for 30 days, bank accounts, retirement accounts, or other asset information, proof of down payment funds, recent residential history. And to speed up the pre-approval process, it helps to have these documents ready before you get started. So step 3, underwriting. The last step in the pre-approval process is underwriting, and it is what happens once you have completed your mortgage application and sent in your paperwork. Your lender should be able to get you your pre-approval letter within a 24 to 48 hour period so that you can get started looking at homes. Most sellers today are asking for pre-approval letters, but some are allowing what is called a pre-qualification letter. A pre-qualification letter is usually easier and faster to get because it does not involve submitting your paperwork or verifying proof of funds or income. But don't think that just because you filled out a mortgage application on some online website that you actually have a pre-approval letter, because you don't, and sellers' agents know the difference. Spend the extra time to actually get a pre-approval letter from a mortgage lender like me. It will not only help you to get in to see the home that you're interested in, but could also be what helps you get your offer accepted quicker. When you are ready to buy that home of your dreams, now could be the perfect time you want to buy a home, and knowing what you need, like a pre-approval letter, can help you breeze through the process. Thanks for watching. This is Cara at MCL Funding, and you can connect with me at 813-309-5626, or you can go to www.mclfunding.com, or the third step is my email address, Cara with a C, C-A-R-A, at mclfunding.com. Thank you so much for listening, and I hope to speak to you soon, and happy house hunting!